Very good morning to everyone. I am Kanchuki Burman and my partner's name is,
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Aboli Deshmukh.
and we are from Orchids Negri. So
Yes.
today we are here for presenting our game for Famer Game. The game that we have created, actually it helps to increase the vocabulary by helping children to expand their knowledge of what words mean. It also develops observation and discussion skills. So the main rule of this game is like there will be some words given to them in some slides. So they have to unscramble the words. And then after unscrambling, they have to find out the odd one. And the time limit for them will be 10 minutes. And the one who will complete it in the first part will be the winner of this game. So we have divided the game into 3 levels. So level 1 will be an easy one, so that all the students they can complete it and solve it. So we can see that the words are given here, but it's all in the jumble way. So at first they what they can do is they can see the image, and below, directly below it, all words are given. So they have to unscramble these words, and after unscrambling these words, they have to find the odd one out. For example, suppose the first picture is of lips, they have to unscramble this. Then we have eye, then we have leg, then we have nose. After that, they have to find out which one is the odd one here. So for level 1 is an easy one, because now this game is for grade 1 and 2, so all the kids they know the body parts name, so it will be easy for them also for clearing this level. And what I believe is that when they will be clearing this level, their confidence level will also be high. They will be like, yes, we have solved it, we have completed this level, now let's move to the next one. They will be so excited to move to the next one. So level 2 will be little bit tougher than the first one. So we can see that in the before slide, all the words were given directly below the pictures, all the images. But the next one in level 2, we can see the pictures, the words are not directly below the pictures. The pictures are near to it. So here also the rule goes the same. They have to unscramble it, and then they have to sort the odd one out. For level 1, we'll be giving them 2 minutes of time to solve this. So after 2 minutes, we are directly moving to the next level. So they have to solve the first level in 2 minutes. For level 2, we'll be giving them 3 minutes of time. And for level 3, we'll be giving them 5 minutes of time. As we can see, the level 3 is a little bit difficult and they don't have pictures. So now I request Aboli ma'am to take over it.
Thank you, Kanchuki ma'am. Yeah. So everyone, as ma'am has explained that, see, there are 3 levels of this game. Why? Because as we know, the children are also the same. All are not the very talented. Some are taking time to think. Some are taking time to. We just have to just push them. That see, when we are giving hint to them, definitely they are just solving each and everything. So in the level 3, you can see there is a no any picture. Okay, there are only 4 different words you can see, but they are just unscrambled. So what you have to do, you have to think whichever word will be this. So it may be anything, maybe any dish, maybe any place, maybe any name, anything. So I just want to request if anyone from my colleagues, those who are here, not to the judge, that are you able to find out any word first word at least, so after that I can explain you. Can
I'm the
anyone?
judge. I found all the 4 words.
No. That's what I'm telling you. I'm for judge. It is not.
Okay.
Can anyone find out? Because here the no pictures are also not there. So that's why this third level is somewhat difficult for the students.
The second one maybe will be dolphin, and the last one terrorist.
No.
Terrorist.
No, it's not terrorist. Second one also it is correct, ma'am. It's
Dog
really
Third
is
one
good.
is whale. Third one is
The first one is
Whale.
Third one is well correct.
Okay.
first one is shark.
Tortoise.
One is
tortoise.
is correct.
Okay.
To
And
find out
first?
here.
Shark.
Shark. Very good, very good, very good. So here we know that students also know this type of as they are watching discoveries and everything, so they know this is a shark, this is a whale, this is dolphin. So once they will find out the name, they're feeling very happy that no, I got this, I have done this. So that happiness is, that fun is inside our students. We just have to find out something. So this third level is somewhat difficult because they have to unscramble and the pictures are also not there. So once they will find out, once they will clear this third level, definitely they will be the winner. So this is about our game. This is a word game. In the first one, the pictures and the small words are there. In the second one, pictures are at side and the words are aside, and they have to unscramble and they have to find out. And in the third one, the pictures are not there. They just have to the properly whichever word will be there, and they have to find out and they will be clear the level. So this is about our game. So thank you.